do you think? What do you think? Dixie. Hey, Dixie. Ouch. These bones are creaking. Dusty. Okay, stay. Stay there. Where are you going? Oh, don't leave. Where are you going? Don't like it, do you? Dixie. Dixie. Say hi. Dixie. Hi, hello girl. Hello puppy. Hi, Dusty. Hi, how are ya? What do you think? Wait. Is it a good boy? Yeah, it's a good boy. It's not too bad, huh? Yeah. You gonna go outside, baby? You have to go outside? Yeah. Dusty might. Yeah, see, Dusty's gonna want to go outside. Yeah. Do you want to go outside? Okay. Should we go outside for a little bit? Alright. Okay. Gotta get up though. You gonna come with me? Come on. Come on, you can go outside. Come. Are you coming? Come on. Oh, Dusty is. He's over here. There you go. Hey, Dusty. We need a light in here. Hang on. Hang on. There we go. Want a light outdoors? Okay, there you go. Okay, go hurry up. Can't see anymore. Dusty, you coming in? Come on, guys. Come on. Where are you? There you are. Come on now. Dixie, quiet. Shush, shush. Come on. Good boy, Dusty. Dixie, come on. Yes, come on. Dusty. How's it going? Okay, Dixie, come on. Come on, girl. Come on. Come in the house. There we go. Good girl. Alright, good dogs. There you go. Okay. You gonna say hi. Say hi to Taylor. Say hello. How's it going? Come visit me soon. Alright. You say bye? Say bye. Talk to you later. What did you hear, huh? What did you hear? Yes, good puppies. Yes, you are. Good puppies. Okay, say bye.